Okay, next up, the lessons. This is where you'll be spending most of your time in Imagine Math, so pocket your fidget spinners and pay attention. Each lesson is made up of several different parts. The first part is the pre-quiz. It gives you the opportunity to show what you already know about that lesson. When you score an 80% or higher on the pre-quiz, you'll automatically test out of that lesson and move right on to the next one in your pathway. Next is the warm-up. Yes, it's a game, but by playing, you're actually practicing procedures, recalling facts, and building fluency that'll be helpful in this and future lessons. Each warm-up game takes about 3 minutes. Read the directions carefully, and as always, just do your best. After the warm-up, you'll move into what's called guided learning. In guided learning, you learn by doing. Now, if you get stuck, stay cool. Just click Math Help, and Imagine Math will help you solve the problem. Now, like I mentioned before, it's super important to journal and show your work while working in the Math Help section. Your teacher may choose to provide you with a journaling sheet like this, or you can draw and label the 4 boxes in your journal yourself. Here are 5 steps to journaling and showing your work. Step 1. Write the lesson title and item number at the top. This will help you stay organized. Step 2. In this section, write down one thing from the first Math Help box that really helped you. This could be a definition or maybe even a picture. Step 3. Write down something that helped you from the second Math Help box here. Step 4. Show your work here. And step 5. Once you've worked through the problem and shown your work in your journal, choose the answer you think is correct. Now, if at this point you're still stuck, click on the Imagine Math Teacher tab. What that's going to do is it's going to connect you to a live teacher. No, for real, there's an actual teacher on standby, ready to help you. We have both English and Spanish-speaking teachers. Be sure to write down how that teacher helped you here, and correct your work as needed here. Keep in mind, these teachers are real people, so be polite, use your best manners, and keep it appropriate. After all, they're there to help you. Okay, next up, practice. During this part of the lesson, you'll practice what you've just learned and get feedback on your answers. Refer back to your journal if you need to. That's what it's there for. The last part of the lesson is the post-quiz. This is where the rubber hits the road, where you apply everything you just learned in the lesson. Scoring a 70% or higher on the post-quiz allows you to pass that lesson and move on to the next. Okay, one last thing before I go. It's going to take you about 30 to 45 minutes to complete one full lesson in Imagine Math. So we recommend you do your best to pass 2 to 3 lessons every week. This will help you reach the Think 30 goal, as well as keep you up in the rankings. Now, in case you're wondering, Think 30 is a goal for you to pass 30 lessons in the school year. Okay, that's it. Remember, work hard, journal your work, and have fun.